All right, you guys, let's look at our word work from Project Read. We're on Unit 28, Lesson 1, and we're looking at cutting patterns today. So, based on your past experiences, you've worked with the cutting pattern vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And when we see that vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pairing in a word, that gets cut right down the middle between those two consonants. And then you would have those two separate pieces of that. We have syllable here, we'd have a syllable here with that cutting pattern. Our second cutting pattern that you've been exposed to in the past is our two vowels separated by a consonant. And you'll notice that these lines are different. It's not a solid line all the way through separating these two. Well, that's because when you have this pattern, most of the time, when you have a vowel, consonant, vowel, you will have that word cut right here after that first vowel in most cases. However, there are occasions, there are times that the word would be cut right here, that the pattern for that would be cut here instead of right after the first vowel. It would be after the consonant. Well, we're talking about this cutting pattern today. This cutting pattern right here, let's take a look, is vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. So sometimes we might be seeing chunks, and so we'll be looking for those. But we're going to learn that this rule, when we see vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, that this most of the time is going to get cut right here after the first consonant. All right, so we're going to be practicing that today. Let's take a look here. Again, we're going to be practicing the pattern vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, and we'll see that in most cases it gets cut after that first consonant. All right, let's hear that again. Here we have our vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, separated after that first consonant. Consonant, vowel, sorry you guys, vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, separated after that first consonant. Vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, separated after that first consonant. So when you come across these words, look for these patterns. Check yourself and ask, oh, is that three consonants paired together? I'm going to check my cutting rule to see, can I cut it after that first consonant, and does the word make sense? All right, guys, we're going to do the first two on our activity page together, and then you're going to complete the others. So first, let's settle in and look at the directions. It says, divide the words into syllables, mark the vowels, and read the sentences. All right, so here you guys, I have a talking vowel here and a talking vowel here. Let's look. Oh yeah, look at that. I've got three consonants in the middle of that. All right, so we know that this rule says after the first consonant, put your line. All right, so this word, ill, and then grim, pilgrim. The Pilgrims were early American immigrants. A pilgrim is a traveler. All right, so that's how we would divide this word into its syllables, using the pattern vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Let's try number 2. Here you guys, I've got to mark my talking vowels, and I've got to put my consonant symbols right there for my consonant letters. And I'm going to do as this instructs, as my pattern has told me to do, because we do know that we have some rules we need to follow. Right here, after the first consonant of this pattern, I cut and I go con and then trast. Contrast, two syllables. Two things that are different are in contrast. All right, so you guys, you're going to go through and divide 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your teacher may shorten this on you, so pay attention to directions within the classroom.